Good Saturday. Hopefully, you're all doing well today. And the rain has pretty much moved through. I think for most of the day, we could have some scattered showers or thunderstorms this afternoon. It's very moist out there. Get any trigger to kind of set off anything, we could see a localized heavy or even strong storm with a lot of rain. But not as organized by any means as what we saw maybe last evening and this morning. We'll have to watch out for tomorrow as more storms will come around and potentially stronger severe. Unsettled weather will last Monday, Tuesday, and then finally clear up on Wednesday. So as we move forward, this is more of another impulse for tomorrow. As I mentioned, some more rain tomorrow with scattered showers and storms. They will last into our Monday. Monday, again, scattered showers and storms. And by Tuesday, maybe a better, more organized chance of showers and storms. We'll have to see when that comes through. Finally, we clear up. You can see now we're in clearer conditions. We'll get into the 80s and sunny skies by Wednesday. And then the humidity starts creeping up here as we head towards next weekend. So Thursday, Friday, we're talking about mid and upper 80s. And then by Friday into Saturday and Sunday, maybe another chance of some showers and storms next weekend. We'll just have to see again how that pans out. Now, this will bring in a slightly cooler shot. You can see this cold air or cooler air damming up here east of the mountains. So that should knock down temperatures some if this comes true for next weekend. So after a summer few days, maybe we'll get into cooler few days and easterly winds, unfortunately, which means cloudy conditions and kind of damp during the weekend. Messing up your weekend plans if you had them. Now, if this comes true, this is really holding on with a lot of cold air damming and easterly winds and kind of damp conditions we'll have to see. And here we go again. Notorious GFS, this is American model, loves to have our hurricanes here in the Gulf of Mexico. We can watch, but I wouldn't plan on that at all happening. And then maybe later in the period, some more rain chances. And here's another Gulf of Mexico potential tropical system. I wouldn't count on any of this. And once we get this far out there, of course, we're kind of in la la land as far as capability of us really getting the temperatures and everything else right. So here we go with the anomalies. This will tell you how close to normal we are. And temperatures, we're slightly above normal today, or at least we were overnight. But during the day with the clouds, it won't be quite as warm. So we're kind of fluctuating with our night times being a little warmer than normal, daytimes cooler than normal because of the clouds and precipitation around. And then as we head into next week, again, fluctuating between around or a little bit below or above normal, depending on how much moisture and precipitation's around. And then finally on Wednesday here, we clear out, getting closer to normal and then above normal as we head into the late part of the next week. Remember, 7 to 10 degrees above normal is we're getting up close to 90 or so degrees. And then, like I said, next weekend, we get this front coming in and high pressure from the north, starting to try to knock our temperatures back down. So much cooler look next Saturday, Sunday. And then that's going to stick around because that easterly winds off the ocean and keep the temperatures really cool if that comes true for multiple days in a row. As it winds off the ocean's cooler, obviously, until late in the period where maybe we warm up again. So we'll just have to see how that all pans out. How much rain can we get over the next week? Well, right now, the way the National Weather Service is looking, the Weather Prediction Center, we go local here and look at our rain over the next, it's a 24 hours, so some rain around. But over the next 7 days, about another inch of rain or so. This will help to continue to beat back that drought even further. The drought's almost gone, but not quite yet. So that's the outlook. So look for scattered showers and storms. We will have to watch for tomorrow. There is a chance that we'll see some severe weather. We would have a little bit of a chance today, but not really that much. But if you look for tomorrow, and we'll go regional here, look at our region, you can see that they're all threats on the table, but the biggest one being wind here, but there could be hail, and there's even a small chance of a tornado. So we'll have to watch for tomorrow. It depends on how much sun we get, how much dynamics can get involved. That's whether or not we'll actually get some severe weather. So obviously I'll update if we get any news. Have a good Saturday and a good weekend.